It's me, Elisa Odom, here with another tutorial. This one is for a Sunburst granny square halter top. You'll recall back in a while ago I did the shorts. They weren't the same color, but it is the same idea, the same concept. So if you want to make this halter top, please visit that Sunburst granny square tutorial. You can find it on here at YouTube, and you can also find it on my Facebook page. Go ahead and create it as big as you need it to be. Mine is 7 granny squares long, and that should probably fit a medium to large with a C cup. If you want to match and do exactly like I do, get your items, your 3 colors yarn, create your Sunburst granny squares, get your scissors and your 5mm hook, and meet me back here. The first thing you'll need to do is chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And there's your chain of 11. The next thing we want to do is single crochet into the second stitch from the hook. So that's 1, 2. We'll go into that one. Single crochet. And then once you do that, you want to single crochet in every stitch across. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You should have 10 single crochets as your foundation to work from. So the next thing we want to do is work into the back loops of those single crochets at the top there. You want to work only in the back loop. This will create a ridge, which is what I'm looking for. So you want to chain 1, turn your work around, and go into the back loop. Not both of the loops in the chain in your single crochet, but the back loop. But you're going to single crochet in the back of them. I'll do that again. We'll insert into the back chain only. And you're going to do that all the way across, only in the back loop. Only in the back loop, guys. Remember that. This is to create a certain look, and I like to call it the ribbed look. I think that's actually what it's called, actually. So we're going to do this all the way across, and you should have 10 of them. I know these aren't the same colors I used in the shorts, but it'll give the same effect, so you can use the same colors. So once you've gotten all the way across, you should have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to do the exact same thing all the way across this one as well. Now, I'm not going to work this entire thing on the video in the interest of making it not extremely long. So what you want to do, if you're following me, is repeat this these rows for 32 rows. Single crochet in the back loop of every stitch all the way across for 10 stitches, and then chain 1, turn your work, and start the process over again for 32 rows. This will give the look, the rib look that I'm going for. So just work in every back loop of the single crochet for the row that you're working on all the way to the end. When you get to the end, you want to chain 1 and turn your work. Having a little trouble getting in this last one, but that's the idea. Chain 1, turn your work. So I'm going to go ahead. This is what it should start looking like for you. I don't know if you can see the ridge right there, but you want to do that for 32 rows. I'm going to go ahead and complete that, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, so here's my ribbed top part of my halter. Hope you can see how that looks. I think it turns out pretty nice, but a couple things I need to tell you right here, or just one thing. Instead of doing 32 rows, I end up doing 36. I wanted it to be a little bigger, so I did 36. So if you're following along, you might want to pause the video and add you 4 more rows. And once you've done that, what we want to do from here is chain 2. 1, 2. And what we're going to do from here is work down the side of this here. We're going to work down the side of this ribbed edging. And what I want to do is create 2 double crochets in each one of the double crochets across. So you want to end up with 72 double crochets all the way across. So I'm going to allow that chain 2 that I created right here to count as a double crochet. So I'm going to go back down into this and do another double crochet. And then I'm going to go into the next stitch, which is here, and I'm going to do 2 double crochets in that one as well. And then we'll go to the next stitch and we'll do 2 double crochets in this one. So I'm going to go ahead and finish doing the 2 double crochets in each stitch across for 72 double crochets total, and I will meet you back here when we've finished it. Here we are with the 72 double crochets down the side here. That is 72 double crochets, which is 2 double crochets in each stitch. So what we want to do now is to chain 2 again. So you want to chain 2 and turn your work. And once you turn it over, you want to work 1 double crochet in each stitch across. So that'll be a total of 72 stitches again. And again, your chain 2 will count as 1 double crochet. So you want to chain 2, turn your work, and work 1 double crochet in each stitch all the way across. And what I'm going to do, because I Never want to make long videos. I'm going to go ahead and complete this. As a matter of fact, what I think I'll do is repeat this for, let's go with 6 rows. So work your 72 stitches, double crochet stitches in each stitch all the way across, chain 2, turn your work, start this sequence all over again, and you want to do this for 6 rows. Go ahead and complete that, and I'll meet you back here. So this is what it should look like right about now. It should look like so. I am extremely happy right now because what I saw in my head is coming to life, and it is making me very, very happy. So what I'm going to do now, yarn and needles, is I'm going to take the lavender and I'm going to half double crochet or single crochet, whichever one you want to do, around the edge of there, not across the top, but just around the edging, all the way around the bottom, and then all the way back up to the edge. And when I do that, I'm going to also do a string to go through here. So I'll probably chain, let's say 120 for there, and chain 240 for the back. So go ahead, do your chains. You want to do one at 120 and one at 240, and half double crochet from the top of one side all the way around to the other side, not going across the top. We'll do that, and I'll meet you back here so we can get the finished product.